Hey guys, Shane here with SWICKtech, and today I want to show you a real quick and easy way to sync files from your Microsoft Teams environment onto your local computer or the File Explorer on your Windows computer. And so there's a couple of things to consider when we're doing this. You're going to obviously need Microsoft Teams, and then you're also going to need to have your OneDrive set up and signed in on your computer. So you can see here, I've already got my Microsoft Teams environment open and I'm signed in, and I can view all of my different teams and channels on this left-hand menu. To make sure that your OneDrive is signed in, you can go ahead and open up your File Explorer, and you're going to see a OneDrive folder with your company or business name listed here, and you can view all of your individual OneDrive files that you have stored in your OneDrive. Another quick and easy way to check and make sure your OneDrive is working, if we come down here to the taskbar by the clock, and we open up those hidden icons, you can see that OneDrive is up to date, and if we click on this, it's going to give you a little bit more robust view of what's going on and all the files that it's syncing and everything. So now that we know that that's working, I'm going to show you how to sync a channel of files down to your computer. So a lot of times if you use Microsoft Teams, you're going to have different teams for groups or departments or projects. And within those teams you can store files. This is a really great and easy way to keep your files and information organized based on that team, but opening those files within Microsoft Teams can get a little cumbersome if you are using Teams for other things like chat or meetings, and so it's really convenient to have those files already synced down to your File Explorer on your computer. So to do this, it's really simple. We're going to go into Microsoft Teams here, and you'll see I've got this Mark 8 project team open. And I'm going to pick a specific channel that I want to sync the files from. So let's do the Go to Market Plan channel. And across the top here, right next to the name of the channel, you're going to see that first tab there, or that second tab there is always going to be your Files tab. If we click on that, it's going to load those files and show us what files are on that team. So now that we know, hey, yep, these are the files we want to sync down to our computer, we can go ahead and click this Sync button right across the top menu bar here. And it's going to take a quick moment, and you'll see it processed it, and it says that we're syncing that channel now into our OneDrive. If you go ahead and click on that came up, we can go ahead and go right into this market plan, and you're going to see all those same files that we saw in Teams in your OneDrive. If you miss out on that click, that's okay. Those files are still syncing, and you can view them by going down to your File Explorer, and you're going to see a new folder syncing what's called your SharePoint sites, which is really the back end of Microsoft Teams, and it should be, you know, your business name or your Microsoft environment's name. And so we'll click that, and you can now see that Go to Market Plan channel is syncing here, and now we can edit and access those files right from our computer. So I hope this was a quick and easy tutorial for you to show you how to get those files. Keep in mind these are the same files across your computer and Microsoft Teams and your SharePoint environment. So if you edit that in one place, it's going to be edited in all three places, and other people can collaborate on them and change and edit them as well. So thanks for stopping by, and if you have specific questions about the files, go ahead and drop them in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them for you.